Welcome everyone, today I'll be showing you how to draw Santa's sleigh. Let's begin on the left side of our page with the top edge of the sleigh. We're going to start up here, then this across, and then down. So I'm going to curve this down, and then bring that up towards the right side. Then we'll draw a straight angled line going up towards the front. And I want to connect the ends with a large curve. Let's start on the left side, come all the way across and down. It's going to bend that back up towards the top right. Now I'm going to leave a gap across the bottom and draw a straight line from left to right. I just want to curl this around. Let's go back to the left side. I'm just going to flatten this off and draw the same line going across the bottom. Now I just want to curl this around the end. And then we'll flatten this off. Let's connect these two parts. On the left side, draw two lines side by side coming down. Move over towards the right and do the same thing. And then we want to add a trim across the top. Starting on the left, we're going to follow the curve coming in, round at the bottom, let's fill the inside of the sleigh. Let's start with the box across the front. Let's add a ribbon coming down with two lines. And then we'll add the bow across the top. Start with the left side going around and then down towards the middle. And then the right side. I'm just going to trace this along the inside, going down toward the center and then back up. Let's add Santa's bag. We're starting on the left side, going up and then down. Let's add the rope with a curve. Go back to the left side, draw the end. Let's add a larger box in behind. And then we'll add the ribbon across the top. And we'll trace that along the outside. Now it's Santa art and has a splash of color. And there's a cartoon drawing of Santa's sleigh. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.